I'm back. I'm back. I got my channel back. All right, crazy story here. So a little over a year ago, I get a notification in my email box for one of my contact emails. The email said something along the lines of this: your Subs Journey YouTube channel is in violation of one of our policies, and it's been deactivated. I was like, what? I only posted like 6 videos on there, long form, and then a handful of shorts that came from those long form videos. And I was like, how did this happen? I wasn't making AI generated content. I wasn't doing anything that was foul language, nothing with guns. I wasn't targeting anything towards children. I was just an educational channel, and really not even educating so much as sharing my journey on my other YouTube channels and helping others or inspiring others to do the same thing through the ups and the downs and all the adventures I have experienced with my other channel that hit 1,000 subscribers within 160 days, and I think it was like 11 videos. I never claimed to be a pro. I never talked bad about anybody. So I was really confused with why they shut my channel down. I had other projects going on at the time. I was very successful with one of my channels, and I decided just to pivot and focus all my energy towards that. And that's what I did, and it really did pay off. And then last week I got an email saying, you have 30 days to appeal this action before everything is deleted on your channel permanently. So I figured, why not? I'll give it a shot. That's exactly what I did. I hit the appeal button and started the process. And it was really easy to do. All I had to do was put down in there why I felt that the action was incorrect. And basically everything I just told you in the beginning of the video is what I put down on the email. I hit send. And then 3 days later, I get an email saying, congratulations, your channel has been restored. So here I am once again. The lesson to this one is, don't get completely frustrated when something happens that you think is completely out of your control. Because 9 times out of 10, it's just a little issue that maybe the AI system picked up as a flag, and that might be the cause of the reason why an action was taken. It was super easy and literally took me about 2 minutes to appeal that action. And then a few days later to get my channel back. It came in a really great time for me because I have had a lot of success with my main channel, Mr. Flavorsmith. That's my backyard cooking lifestyle channel. And I've grown it to way more subscribers than I thought possible in a short period of time. Within just under 2.5 years, that channel has rose from 0 subscribers to I'm just about to hit 10,000. I'm literally less than 500 subscribers away from hitting 10,000 subscribers. And I'm really close to hitting 3 million views. I've had some videos go skyrocket, over 100,000 views. I've got one that's over 170,000 views. I have many in the 20 to 40,000 views. I've got a bunch in the 60 to 80,000 views. And then I've got a bunch in the few hundred views. It just happens. I started this in 2024, March 2024. And the 2024 year was great. I rose my channel, I think it was 160 days, and I wanna say it was 11 videos, 11 to 14 videos, can't quite remember. But it was one of those videos that got to over 70,000 views within just a few days. And that video changed everything for me. I just really niched down and I got really successful. And I'm not gonna say lucky, because I figured out a way to go through, niche down, and make content that I wanted to watch and that I thought would be helpful for me to watch. And I figured if it worked for me, it would work for other people. And I figured if it interests me, it would interest other people. And I was right. From that success, so many other things have pivoted off and branched out for me. It's been an amazing journey so far. I've been fortunate enough to work with countless brands on many different videos. It's completely shifted the way we do things around here in the house with the family. It's given my family and I a completely different course in our life. I'm now invited to every single social event my friends are doing. Not as me, as Eric, but me as Mr. Flavorsmith. Because I always bring something flavoricious with me. My 2 young boys, I have a 4-year-old and a 9-year-old. The 9-year-old is Junior Flavorsmith, and the 4-year-old is Mini Flavorsmith. They're constantly fighting over who's gonna be the one to do a barbecue video with their dad. So I didn't fight it, and now they're part of the channel. This has truly turned into a family adventure. Also in this success, I was like, hey, why fight it? I'm gonna do another channel, and that's called Carnivore Diet Life. And that's actually growing pretty good too. And because of my success with that and the other projects on YouTube going on, something else happened. All my videos and all my different projects work as like my professional portfolio. And because of that, I was actually offered an equity partnership in a company that makes a premium product if I came on as the director of brand and content creation. And then a spin-off of that, I'm now the co-host of a backyard barbecue podcast. One of my partners and I bring on other cooking enthusiasts on the channel, different chefs, backyard grill masters, and competitive pit masters. And we are having a ton of fun with this new project. And then recently, on vacation in the mountains, watching my boys playing in the lake, something hit me. I realized I want to spend more time with my family in the outdoors, as I feel connecting with nature is just something that's good for our souls. And I think that's true with everybody. But there's limitations to doing that with a family. You need to be able to travel in comfort, and you need to have a vehicle that does it with enough cargo space to bring everything with you. And also the ability to maybe just go off-road a little bit, to hit some of those nice hidden away campsites. Nothing crazy, no 4x4. You just need a vehicle that has a little bit more clearance. And then thinking about my mom and what I would like to do with her, I asked her, what would she like to do with me? What would be something on her bucket list that she can do with me? And she said, I want to go on a road trip of all of California, seeing as much of California that we can see. So something sparked in me, and I've created Family Adventure Vehicle. That's a new channel I launched, and it's a new passion project of mine. Something that hits really deep in my heart and that pushes my family and all families to easily be able to get together and go create memories. So what I'm trying to say here is don't give up. If somebody shuts you down, even YouTube, push through, continue. I know a lot of times it's a struggle, and being a content creator, it's not easy. It's hard. There's a lot of sacrifice you have to do for yourself and your family. I give up a lot of weekends because I have a full-time job Monday through Friday. I fit in all this different content creation for all these different channels and all the editing and all the publishing and the marketing for these when I can. But I will tell you, the effort is rewarding. Just keep at that grind. And when someone shuts you down, ask them why. So I'm back. I want to hear from you guys. How many channels do you have? What are the channels called? And how long have you been doing them? And if you got value out of this video or entertain or inspired in any way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It just really helps me produce more content that I hope is inspiring to you. It's good to be back, and I'll see you on the next one.